Hi students, this is Shahzad and you are watching CoolStudies. In previous class we discussed the complete concept SURDS along with some problems. In today's class we discuss some more problems. Before starting the class, still if you are not subscribed our channel CoolStudies, so please subscribe our channel and share these videos who are studying IIT Foundation classes. Let us start the question. The question is given here. X is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, then x square minus 6x plus 5. So dear students, ఇక్కడ question మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చాడంటే x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. X value is given here 3 plus 2 root 2. Then we have to find x square minus 6x plus 5. If observe on here, first term, the first term is x square. He given x. Let us do squaring on both sides. If we do squaring on both sides, then we get the x square. First మనం రెండు వైపులా కూడా స్క్వేర్ చేద్దాం. If we do squaring on both sides, what we get? X square is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square. We are doing on here squaring on both sides. Now we know that a plus b whole square. So what is the formula here? A plus b whole square. Let us write it here. The formula of a plus b whole square. What is the formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? This is the formula, right? Let us expand. Let us expand on here. A plus b whole square. So x square is equal to a is 3. So 3 square plus 2ab. 2 into a value is 3, b value is 2 root 2 plus b square. It means 2 root 2 whole square. Just we expand in the form of a plus b whole square. Right? Now tell your value here. X square is equal to 3 square. 3 into 3. 3 3s 9. 9 plus 2 3s 6. 6 2s 12 root 2 plus here 2 square value is 4. 2 square value is 4. And if you apply this square root 2 none, what we get? Root square cancel. 4 into 2 8. So what we get value here? X square is equal to 9 plus 8. 17 plus 12 root 2. So మనకు x square value వచ్చింది. So we got x square is 17 plus 12 root 2. 17 plus 12 root 2. Let us find 6x. 6x. So what we get? 6x value? 6 times of x. What is given on x here? 3 plus 2 root 2. Let us multiply. 6 3s 18 plus 6 2s 12 root 2. So we got 6x value. Let us come to question. Actually what we have to find? X square minus 6x plus 5. Right? X square value. X square value what we got? 17 plus 12 root 2. X square value on here 17 plus 12 root 2 minus 6x value. What we got? 18 plus 12 root 2 plus 5. Just we substitute on here x square as well as 6x. X square value is the 6x value is the next step. In the next step on here 17 plus 12 root 2. Let us multiply with minus. Minus into plus minus 18. Minus into plus again minus 12 root 2 plus 5. If observe on here plus 12 root 2 minus 12 root 2 both are cancelled. 17 plus 5. Total what we get? 22 minus 18. 22 minus 18. 4 is the answer. Dear student, what we got answer on here? 4 is the answer. Still if you have any doubt regarding this question, express your doubts in comment box. The next question is given here. Root over 3, root over 3, root over 3 and so on infinity. Question manaki em ichchadante root over 3, again root over 3, again root over 3 and so on infinity and ikkada. Then what is this value? There are two methods in ikkada. One is the procedure, one is the shortcut. First we discuss procedure. Let's suppose first consider the given value as x. First and ichina value ni x anukondi. So what is given here? Root 3 over again root 3 over up to so on. How many terms are there here? Infinite terms are there. So let us consider the total value as x. First ichina value mottani x anukondi. Now in the next step I am writing as root 3 root 3. Now tell me that in this place what we can write? What we can write down here? Because the values are up to infinity. We consider that up to infinity value is x, right? So in this infinity place, this total value place what we can write? X is equal to again x. I hope you understand. Now to cancel the root, let us do squaring on both sides. ఈ రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వడం కోసం both sides కూడా square apply చేయండి. If apply the square, then what we get? 3x is equal to x square. Now 1x, x cancel, 3 is equal to x. What we got answered here? X value is 3. This is a general procedure. So without any procedure, whenever we got this type of questions, directly you can write whatever the number in a given root, that is the answer. Here number what given on here? 3, right? So answer is 3 is the answer. 3 is the answer. Let us discuss one more question. So question is given here, root over 2 plus, root over 2 plus, root over 2 plus and so on infinity. In the previous question is given that multiplication, but in this question he given that plus symbol. For this type of question also there are two methods. One is the procedure, second one is the shortcut. First we discuss procedure. So let us consider this total value now here. Let us consider the given value root over 2 plus, root over 2 plus, root over 2 plus and so on infinity. Let us consider it as x. మీకు ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ని ఫస్ట్ x అనుకోండి. In the next step we can write root over 2 plus. So in this place what we can write? ఈ ప్లేస్ లో ఏం రాయొచ్చు ఇక్కడ మనం? x is equal to x. To cancel the root, do squaring on both sides. If apply squaring on both sides, so what we get? 2 plus x is equal to x square. Then x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we got one quadratic equation. We got a quadratic equation. Quadratic means degree 2 means at most 2 zeros are exist. 2 values are exist. Let us write x square. I am writing minus x as minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now in these two terms take common x. X of x minus 2 plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Again take common x minus 2 as common. So x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So what are the factors? X is equal to 2 or minus 1. So x ki manaki oka rendu values vachayi. Ee rendu values lo ఏ value ఈ question ki answer. Let us check the question once again. In the given question, symbol what is there? Check first. What is symbol on here? Symbol is given plus means, symbol is given plus means consider as the highest value. So what is the highest value? 2 is the highest value. So 2 is the answer. This is the procedure. What is the shortcut? The shortcut now here. What is the number there? Let us take the number. What is the number? 2 is a number. Let us write product of two numbers. ఇచ్చిన నంబర్ ని product of two numbers కింద రాయండి. So what we can write? 1 into 2. 1 into 2. These are two answers. Now check that in the given two numbers, which number is the highest? 2 is the highest. So answer is 2 is the answer. I hope understand that. Still, if you any doubt this type of questions, express your doubts in your comment box. Y is equal to x plus root over x square minus 1. So y value ichesadu and asking that 1 by 2 of y plus y inverse value enta annadu. Let us come to question. So what we have to find here? 1 by 2 of y plus y inverse. Y inverse means 1 by y. Y inverse means we can write it as a 1 by y. So I have to find this value, right? But question already given the value of y. If you find 1 by y, we can do question easily on here. So let us find 1 by y. So how to find 1 by y? So 1 by, what is the y value here? Y is given that x plus root over x square minus 1. 1 by, we are substituting the value of y in that. Let us do rationalize. Let us do none here, rationalize. Multiply and divide with x minus root over x square minus 1 by x minus root over x square minus 1. Just we are multiplying and dividing with root over. Just we are multiplying and dividing on here x minus root over x square minus 1 by x minus root over x square minus 1. So what we get? 1 into this value is what we get, again same value, right? X minus root over x square minus 1. In denominator, if you observe that it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula here? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So a square means x square minus b square root over x square minus 1 whole square. In that square root and square cancelled. So what we got? X minus root over x square minus 1 by here x square. Let us multiply with the minus sign here. Minus into x square minus x square. Minus into minus plus 1. Now plus x square minus x square both are cancelled. So finally what we got here? X minus root over x square minus 1 we got. What we got here? The value of 1 by y we got here. X minus root over x square minus 1. Come to the question. We have to find 1 by 2 of y. So what is the value of y here? Y value is x plus root over x square minus 1 plus this plus 1 by y. What is the value of 1 by y? We got x minus root over x square minus 1. Just we are substituting the values y as well as 1 by y. Now in that plus root over x square minus 1 minus root x square minus 1 cancelled. So remaining none here 1 by 2 of x plus x. There are total 2x are there. So you can write 2 into x. Now 2 and 2 cancel. So finally what we got answer? X is the answer. Dear students, still if you have doubt in the question, express your doubts in the comment box. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మీద మీకు డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కనుక ఖచ్చితంగా మీ డౌట్స్ ని కామెంట్ బాక్స్ లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయండి. Let us come to next question here. The question is given that if root over x by x plus 1 plus root over x plus 1 by x is equal to 17 by 4, then we have to find the value of x. X యొక్క వాల్యూని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. ఇక్కడ మీరు జాగ్రత్తగా గమనిస్తే x by x plus 1 ఇక్కడ x plus 1 by x, that means రెసిప్రోకల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒకదానికొకటి రెసిప్రోకల్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ let us consider that this part as a p. Let root over x by x plus 1, I am considering that p. Root over x by x plus 1 ని p అని కన్సిడర్ చేస్తున్నా. ఇది p అయితే ఇది ఏమవ్వాలి? If it is p, what about root over x plus 1 by p? Because both are reciprocal to each other, right? So it should be 1 by p. Let us substitute nana. P plus 1 by p is equal to 17 by 4. P plus 1 by p is equal to 17 by 4. Let us take LCM. P into p, p square plus 1 by p is equal to 17 by 4. P into p nana here, p square plus 1 by p is equal to 17 by 4. Let us do that cross multiplications. If you do cross multiplications, 4 into p square, 4p square plus 4 into 1, 4. That is equal to p into 17, 17p. Now transpose plus 17p to the left side. So what we can write? 4p square minus 17p plus 4 is equal to 0. So finally we got a quadratic equation in terms of variable p. మనకు ఒక quadratic equation అయితే వచ్చింది. Now we have to find the zeros of this quadratic equation. To find the zeros nani here, I am writing 4p square. This 17p none. This 17p I am splitting here. I am splitting here minus 16p minus p. Otherwise, right now, okay. Minus 17p I am writing down here. Minus 16 minus 1. Total is minus 17. Plus 4 is equal to 0. In these two terms, take common 4p. So remaining what left here? P, and here we are taking 4p only common on here. When we get 16 in 4 table, 4 times, right? Let us write 4. In these two terms, let us take a minus common. So minus of p minus 4 is equal to 0. Now in these two terms, we can take common p minus 4 into 4p. The symbol is minus. If anything is not there, 1 should be there, right? Let us write 1 is equal to 0. So we got two factors. We got down here two factors. P minus 4, 4p minus 1. These are the two factors. So what are the p values here? If p minus 4 is equal to 0 means the value of p is 4. P minus 4 is equal to 0 means the value of p nani here 4, right? But actually we consider that p means root over x by x plus 1, right? That is equal to 4. మనం ఏదైతే p అనుకున్నామో ఆ p ప్లేస్ లో ఆ వాల్యూని రాశాను. ఆ వాల్యూ ఏంటి ఇక్కడ? రూట్ ఓవర్ x by x plus 1 is equal to 4. Now tell me that to cancel the root, to cancel this root, we can do that squaring on both sides. ఆ రూట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వడం కోసం రెండు వైపులా కూడా స్క్వేర్ చేద్దాం. If you do squaring on both sides, what we get answer here? X by x plus 1 is equal to 4 square 16, right? Here doing square means root square cancelled. Let us do cross multiplication. X is equal to 16 into x, 16x plus 16 into 1, 16. Let us do one thing down here. Plus 16 transpose to left side plus x to the right side. So what we get? Minus 16 is equal to 16x minus x. So minus 16 is equal to 16 minus 1. 16 minus 1, 15x. I did only x value, right? X is equal to minus 16 by 15. Minus 16 by 15. We got one value. We got one value down here. If p is equal to 4, the value of x is minus 16 by 15. We have one more value of p, right? 4p minus 1. One more case done here. 4p minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 4p is equal to 1. Then p value is 1 by 4. P value is 1 by 4. So right? P value is 1 by 4. But p means, what is the p? Root over x by x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4. Same procedure. To cancel the root, again do squaring on both sides. If apply squaring on both sides, then what do we get? X by x plus 1. Here 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16. Again do cross multiplications. 16 into x. 16x is equal to x plus 1 into 1, x plus 1 plus x transpose this side now. 16x minus x is equal to 1. 15x is equal to 1. The value of x is 1 by 15. So we got the values of x here, two values. One is minus 16 by 15. One more 1 by 15. These are two possible values of x for given question. Dear students, still if you have any doubt in this question, then express your doubts in the comment box. మీకు ఏమైనా క్వశ్చన్స్ డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కనుక ఖచ్చితంగా మీ డౌట్స్ ని కామెంట్ బాక్స్ లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయండి. Let us discuss the next problem. If 5 power x is equal to 0.5 whole power y is equal to 1000, then we have to find 1 by x minus 1 by y. So question మనకి ఇక్కడ 5 power x is equal to 0.5 whole power y is equal to 1000 ఇచ్చేసి 1 by x minus 1 by y value ఎంత అన్నాడు. So we can do here two methods. One is the direct procedure. One more is the direct answer. First we discuss the procedure here. So first let us consider these two parts. So 5 power x is equal to 1000. 1000 can be written as 10 power 3. 1000 ni 10 power 3 కింద రాయండి. 10 power 3. Now if observe that 5 power x there, I want to cancel the power x. Power లో ఉన్న x ని cancel అవ్వాలి అంటే both sides should be in the power 1 by x. ఇక్కడ గానికి పవర్ లో నాకు 1 by x అయితే ఈ పవర్ లో నాకు 1 by x అయితే x cancel కదండి ఇక్కడ. So to cancel the x, I am applying on both sides 1 by x. వాటి రెండు వైపులా కూడా పవర్స్ లో 1 by x తీసుకుందాం. So let us take on both sides the powers as 1 by x. Now here we can cancel right x cancelled. 5 is equal to 10. 3 into 1, 3 by x. We got the value of 5 is 10 power 3 by x. Then equation 1 anandi. This is equation 1. Similarly, let us consider these two parts. Next time I consider that 0.5 whole power y is equal to again 10 power 3. Now tell me, ఇప్పుడు నాకు y క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వాలి అంటే పవర్ లో ఏం అప్లై చేయాలి? What is the answer here? We have to apply the power 1 by y. Let us consider 0.5 whole power y. Just I am taking the powers as 1 by y on both sides. 1 by y on both sides. Then y cancel. So 0.5 is equal to 10 power 3 into 1, 3 by y. Let us consider equation 2. ఇప్పుడు నా దగ్గర equation 1 ఉంది, equation 2 ఉంది. Now divide none here. Let us divide 1 by 2. I am dividing here equation 1 by equation 2. Equation 1 ni equation 2 తో divide చేయండి. If you divide, then what we get? 5 by 0.5 is equal to 10 power 3 by x by 10 power 3 by y. Right? Just we are dividing 1 by 2 equations. Now tell me that how many times it cancel on here? It will cancel as 10 times. So 10 is equal to 10 power 3 by x. If we transpose to numerator, we can write as 10 power minus 3 by y. 10 power minus 3 by y. So here anything is not the power, 1 should be there, right? So 10 power 1 is equal to 10 power. Whenever the bases are same, power should be added. Bases same aithe powers anevi add cheyochu. So we can write 10 power 3 by x minus 3 by y. Let us compare on both sides. If bases are same, powers are added. Bases are equal, powers also equal. So what is the power here? 1 is equal to 3 by x minus 3 by y. Let us take common in that 3 table common. So 1 by x minus 1 by y. Into 3, if it transpose means 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by x minus 1 by y. So we got the final answer. 1 by x minus 1 by y is 1 by 3 is the answer. So చివరిగా మనకి 1 by 3 అనేది ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్రొసీజర్ అండి ఇక్కడ. మరి ఇంత ప్రొసీజర్ చేయకుండా క్వశ్చన్ చూసిన వెంటనే ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ కి ఆన్సర్ ఎలా చేయాలి? సింపుల్ టెక్నిక్ హియర్. జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ after 1 how many zeros are there? After 1 how many zeros are there? మీ ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ లో 1 తర్వాత ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయో కౌంట్ చేయండి. If observe here there are 3 zeros are there. ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? 3 zeros కాబట్టి ఆన్సర్ అనేది మనకి 1 by 3 అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ ఇక్కడ 2 zeros ఉంటే, ఒకవేళ in the given question only 2 zeros are there means answer is 1 by 2. For suppose if you are having 4 zeros means the answer is 1 by 4. Depends on the number of zeros we can write the answer. This is the trick in the instead of doing entire this procedure while seeing the question we can directly attempt the answers. Still if you have doubt in the question, express your doubts in the comment section. Let us discuss the next question. The value of 17 plus root over 288 to the power 1 by 4. So first we have to know that what is the meaning of 1 by 4. That means root over, again the root over 17 plus root over 288. This is the meaning again. Power lo 1 by 4 ichadu ante 2 times of square root. 2 times of square root. Ichina question ni manam 2 times అనేది square root చేయాలి. Let us do one time first square here. Root over, again the root over 17 plus this 288 I am writing as root over 4 into 72. 4 into 72. ఆ 288 ని నేను 4 into 72 కింద రాశాను. Now root over, again the root over 17 plus root 4 value, what you can write? 2 root 72. Now tell me two numbers, such two numbers if you multiply here get answer 72 and add these two numbers get answer 17. So what we can write? 9 into 8. 9 into 8, 9 8s 72. 9 plus 8, 17. Now what is symbol on here? Plus. So we know very well how to write what is the answer. We can say easily the answer is root 9 plus root 8 whole square, right? Root 9 plus root 8 whole square. We all discussed in the previous class how to apply this shortcut here, right? Now in that square root and square cancelled. Square root and square cancelled. But one more root there here. So let us write the root over root 9 value 3 plus this root 8 none. This root 8 I am writing as 4 into 2. 4 into 2. So root over 3 plus root 4 value 2 into root 2. Again tell me two numbers. Multiply means 2, addition means 3. So what we can write? 2 and 1. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now what is the answer? Symbol is plus. So we can write root over root 2 plus root 1 whole square. Now here square root and square cancel. So root 2 plus root 1 value is 1. So we got final answer is root 2 plus 1 is the answer. Dear students, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ మీకు డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఖచ్చితంగా మీ డౌట్స్ ని కామెంట్ బాక్స్ లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయండి. ఖచ్చితంగా మీ డౌట్ నేను రిప్లై ఇస్తాను. Dear students, still if any doubt in the question, express your doubts in the comment box. I definitely reply your questions. Let us discuss the next question on here. If p plus 1 by q whole power p into p minus 1 by q whole power q divided by q plus 1 by p whole power p into q minus 1 by p whole power q equal to p by q whole power x అయితే x యొక్క వాల్యూ ఎంత? So we have to find here value of x. Don't be panic the question by seeing the here. Question is very easy. Question is చాలా easy nani ikkada. So to observe that here power p, here power q, denominator power p, denominator power q. First do one thing here. Let us do LCM. First do the LCM. First LCM చేద్దాం. Okay. Let us multiply on here. Q into P. What we get? PQ plus 1 by Q. Right? Whole power what there? P there. Similarly, this one Q into P. PQ minus 1 by Q whole power Q there. By similarly this also p into q, pq plus 1 by p but whole power p there. Next term p into q, pq minus 1 by p whole power q. Just we are taking the LCM. In the first step nana we are doing the LCMs here. In the right side what they given? P by q whole power x as it is right. Okay, now apply the powers. Apply the powers each numerator and denominator. E power ni numerator ki denominator ki apply cheyandi. If apply here, what we get now here? PQ plus 1 whole to the power p by q power p. In the next term PQ minus 1 whole power q by q power q. Similarly, in denominator also apply the p for numerator as well as denominator. So PQ plus 1 to the power p by p power p into PQ minus 1 whole power q by p power q is equal to p by q whole power x. ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ లో మనం ప్రతి టర్మ్ యొక్క ఎల్సిఎం తీసుకున్నాం. సెకండ్ స్టెప్ లో ఉన్న పవర్ ని న్యూమరేటర్ కి డినామినేటర్ కి అప్లై చేశారు. నౌ ఇఫ్ అబ్జర్వ్ దట్ pq plus 1 whole power p, pq plus 1 whole power p, this two will cancel, right? Similarly, pq minus 1 whole power q, pq minus 1 whole power q are cancelled. Now reciprocal this number, what we can write? ఈ రెండు కూడా పైకి వెళ్తాయండి. పైకి వెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది మనకి? p power p by here down denominator what there? q power p. Next term p power q, p power q by denominator q power q, q to the power q is equal to p by q whole power x kada. Is clear? Next, if observe that both numerator and denominator having same power, both are having same power, we can write single power, right? So p by q whole to the power p, p by q whole to the power q is equal to p by q whole power x. It's clear? Next step, if bases are same, power should be added. Bases are same అయినప్పుడు పవర్స్ అనేవి యాడ్ చేస్తామండి. సో వాట్ ఇస్ ద బేస్ హియర్? p by q whole power, here power is p plus here power is q, so p plus q is equal to p by q whole power x. Now in that case bases are equal, then powers also equal. So we can conclude that P plus Q is equal to X. So finally we got answer P plus Q is X. Once again in the first step we are doing the LCM sum. Each and every term, there are 4 terms are there, prati term kuda LCM chesaru. In the next step we are applying the powers to numerator and denominator. Second step lo what is the powers ni numerator ki denominators ki apply chesaru. In the next step we cancel that terms, whatever cancel possible is there, we cancel possibility terms. In the next step we are writing that powers as single term. So P by Q whole power P, P by Q whole power Q. Next step, if bases are same, power should be added. So P plus Q. Next step, bases are equal, powers also equal. Still, if you have doubt, we can express your doubt in the comment box. We can doubts unde ganaka kachithanga మీ doubts the comment box lo express cheyandi. Let us discuss the next question. So we have to find the value of 15. 15 by root 10 plus root 20 plus root 40 minus root 5 minus root 80. దీని యొక్క value ని find out చేయమన్నాడు. So let us write 15 by, I am writing root 10 as is root 10 plus root 20 root 40 I am writing on here 4 into 10, 4 tens 40 minus root 5 minus root 20 I am writing as 4 into 20. Just we changes that 2 in that. What is instead of root 40 I am writing 4 into 10. 40 place lo 4 into 10 rasamu, 80 place lo 4 into 20 rasamu. Now 15 by root 10 plus root 20 plus root 4 value 2 root 10 minus root 5 minus root 4 value again 2 root 20. If observe that here 15 by root 10 plus 2 root 10 total is 3 root 10 plus root 20 minus 2 root 20. So minus root 20 minus root 5. This is minus root 5. Next step and root 10 undi plus 2 root 10 undi. ఈ total add చేస్తే total 1 plus 2 is 3 root 10. Next plus 1 root 20 minus 2 root 20. Minus 2 లో ఉంచి plus 1 పోతే minus root 20 and this is as this right. Let us write the next step. 15 by let us write root 10 as 3 into I am writing root 2 into root 5. Root a into root b means root ab kada. So 2 5s 10 minus this root 20 I am writing as 4 into 5 and this as is right root 5. ఈ 20 ని మనం 4 into 5 గా రాసాము. In the next step 15 by if observe that root 5 let us take common root 5 we can take common right. Yes right, we can take root 5 common. So what left now here 3 root 2 minus 2 minus 1. Root 2 value is 2 right, so minus 2. Now 15, this 15 can be written as what we can write 15 on here 5 into 3 I am writing as root 5 into 3. Root 5 into root 5 is 5. So 5 3 is 15. In denominator root 5 3 root 2 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. Now cancel here root 5 we can cancel it. So 3 root 5 by here we can take common in that 3 table common root 2 minus 1. 3 cancel. So finally what we got answer? Root 5 by root 2 minus 1. Root 5 by root 2 minus 1. Still, if you want to do the rationalization here, denominator కింద కూడా రేషనలైజ్ చేద్దాం, ఎందుకంటే డినామినేటర్స్ లో మనకి రూట్స్ అనేవి ఉండకూడదు కాబట్టి. సో let us do rationalize down here. Root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. న్యూమరేటర్ ని డినామినేటర్ ని root 2 plus 1 తో మల్టిప్లై చేసి అదే నంబర్ తో డివైడ్ చేశారు. సో what we get? Root 5 into root 2 is root 10 plus root 5 into 1 is root 5 by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, a square minus b square. So a square means root 2 whole square minus 1. Here root square cancel. 2 minus 1 is 1. So final answer root 10 plus root 5 is your final answer. Root 10 plus root 5 is the final answer. Still, if you want to write this root 10 as root 2 into root 5, we can take root 5 common. We can write the root 5 of root 2 plus 1 also. We can write the answer. I hope you understand on here. Here root 10. Root 10 we can write that root 2 into root 5 plus root 5. If we take root 5 common, so we get root 2 plus 1. This also is an answer. I hope you understand. ఇంకా ఈ క్వశ్చన్ డౌట్ ఉంటే ఖచ్చితంగా మీ డౌట్స్ ని మీ కామెంట్ బాక్స్ లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయండి, నేను ఖచ్చితంగా వాడికి రిప్లై ఇస్తాను. స్టిల్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీ డౌట్ నన్నా రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ your doubts in the comment box. Let us discuss the next question on here. So we have to find this value. We have to find this value here. So let us do one thing. Let us solve one by one. Let us first solve this part now here. So let us write root over root 3 minus again root over 4 plus root 5 plus root over 17 minus this 4 and 4 I am writing as 2 into 2. ఈ 4 ని మనం 2 into 2 రాసి and send 1 2 inside the root. So what is the order of this root here? Order is 2. We are sending inside the root means order 2 means what we have to write 2 square. Order కనుక 2 అయితే ఒక వాల్యూని మనం రూట్ లోపల పంపించేటప్పుడు డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ ద ఆర్డర్ we have apply the power. So here order is 2. We are sending 2 inside the root. So apply the power to 2 square 4. 4 into 15. 4 into 15. What we can write? 4 15s. 60, right? 4 15s now here 60. In the next step, tell me two numbers. If you write here, multiply means 60, addition means 17. Multiply means 60 and addition means 17. Any possibilities? What are the possibilities? We can write 12 and 5. 12 5s 60. 12 plus 5 17. Now what is symbol? Minus. So what you can write answer? Root over root 3 minus again the root over 4 plus root 5. Now what is the answer here? Root 12 symbol is minus. Root 12 minus root 5 is the answer, right? So plus root 12 minus root 5 is your answer, right? Root 12 minus root 5 is your answer. Now in that plus root 5 minus root 5 cancelled. So remaining terms root over root 3 minus again the root over 4 plus this root 12. This root 12 we can write it as 4 into 3. 4 into 3. Again root over root 3 minus again the root over 4 plus root 4 value none here. Root 4 value is 2. So 2 root 3. Now tell me two numbers. Multiply means 3. Addition means 4. So what are the numbers? 3 and 1. So what is the answer? Root over root 3 minus of this answer. What we get answer here? Root 3 symbol is plus. So root 3 plus 1 is your answer. Next, root over root 3 multiply with minus. Minus root 3 minus into plus minus 1. These two are cancelled. So finally we got root over minus 1. So last we have got answer here. Root over minus 1 is the answer. Generally we know that the value of I square is minus 1. Then I value is root over minus 1. Root over minus 1. This I we call as here iota. What we call here? Iota. So what is your final answer? I is your answer. Still if any doubt in this question, express your doubt in the comment box. Let us discuss the next question. If x is equal to root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. X value chesi and asking that x cube plus 1 by x cube. X cube plus 1 by x cube value enta annadu. So generally we know that in mathematics the denominators cannot be roots. To cancel the roots, what we do now here? Do rationalize. Denominator roots ni cancel avadam kosam rationalize cheyandi. So we are doing rationalize here. Root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 plus root 3. Multiply and divide with root 5 minus root 3 by root 5 minus root 3. ఇచ్చిన వాల్యూ x ని మనం రేషనలైజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. So what we get numerator here? A into a is a square. That means root 5 minus root 3 whole square by, in denominator if observe that a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. What is the formula here? A square root 5 whole square minus root 3 whole square. So x is equal to, in numerator it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So expand a minus b whole square. A square root 5 whole square plus b square root 3 whole square minus 2ab minus 2ab by, in denominator square root cancel, 5 minus 3 is 2. So in numerator square root cancel, 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 2 root 15. Root a into root b means what we can write money here? Root a ni root b ni kalipi oke root kinda rayavachu. So root ab 5 3 is 15 by 2. So let us take common in that 2 table in numerator and cancel the denominator. Let us take 2 table common on here. So 4 minus root 15 by 2. 2 cancel. So finally we got the value of x is 4 minus root 15. 4 minus root 15. Now tell me x is 4 minus root 15. Then what about 1 by x? What about 1 by x? We can write directly. What is the answer here? The answer is, instead of minus, write the plus. 4 plus root 15. So we have both values, x as well as 1 by x. Let us come to question. X plus 1 by x whole cube. I am writing the formula here. X plus 1 by x whole cube. That is a plus b whole cube formula. So what is the formula here? A cube, that is x cube, plus b cube, 1 by x cube, plus 3ab, 3 into a into b into a plus b. I hope you understand. Just madam, a plus b whole cube formula is. Now in that formula, x cancel. X plus 1 by x. X means 4 minus root 15. 1 by x is 4 plus root 15. Our two values ni add cheste. Minus root 15 plus root 15 cancelled. 4 plus 4 8 whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into x plus 1 by x, again 8. Now tell me the value. 8 cube. What is the answer? 8 8s are 64. 64 into 8, 512 is the answer, right? 512 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. 3 8s are 24 plus 24 transpose to left side. So we get final answer x cube plus 1 by x cube is equal to 512 minus 24. Answer what we get here? 488. So finally we got the answer is 488. Dear students, in this question still if any doubt, don't forget to express your doubts in the comment box. Dear students, we can doubts unte ganaka ఖచ్చితంగా మీ doubts ni express cheyandi. Let us discuss the next question. If a power m power n, a power m power n is equal to a to the power m whole power n, then the value of m in terms of n. ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ కి m యొక్క ఆన్సర్ కావాలంట. In terms of n లో we have to find the value of m in terms of n. m వాల్యూ అనేది in terms of n లో వచ్చే విధంగా దాని యొక్క వాల్యూ ఎంత అన్నాడు. So let us come to question here. a to the power m to the power n is equal to, so we know that a power m whole power n, a power m into n, so we can write a power m into n. Now here bases are equal, powers also equal, right? So m power n is equal to m into n, m power n is equal to m into n. So let us transpose m. Here m is in multiplication part. If it transpose means it becomes in division part, right? So m power n by m is equal to n. Now transpose to numerator. So what we get? M power n minus 1 is equal to n. M power n minus 1 is equal to n. I need the value only m. Now only m maatrame kavali. So we have to cancel this power n minus 1. So to cancel the power n minus 1, let us take the powers on both sides down here. Both sides consider that 1 by n minus 1. Both sides the power consider that n power whole by n minus 1. So both sides kuda power lo 1 by n minus 1 ni తీసుకున్నా. Then these two are cancelled, right? Then these two are cancelled. So finally we got m is equal to n to the power 1 by n minus 1. So this is your final answer. Dear students, SURDS complete concept అదే విధంగా ప్రాబ్లమాటిక్ పార్ట్ కంప్లీట్ గా 2 వీడియోస్ చేస్తున్నాను, పార్ట్ 1 అండ్ పార్ట్ 2. ఇంకా మీకు ఏమైనా SURDS లో ఇంకా క్వశ్చన్స్ అండ్ డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కనుక ఖచ్చితంగా ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ ని కామెంట్ బాక్స్ లో ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ చేయండి. ఆ క్వశ్చన్స్ యొక్క సొల్యూషన్స్ కూడా మీకు అందిస్తాను. సో ఇంతవరకు మన ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకపోతే సో ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ ఛానల్ అండ్ డోంట్ ఫర్గెట్ టు గివ్ వన్ లైక్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ షేర్ దిస్ వీడియోస్ టు యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ హూ ఆర్ స్టడీయింగ్ యాజ్ ఐఐటి ఫౌండేషన్. సో ఓకేనా, మళ్ళీ ఇంకో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోస్తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం.